In this video, Sam is going to show you how you can bleed the brakes on a 2009 Mazda 3.
Alright, so today we're going to bleed brakes on this Mazda 3 right here. So to do that, come down to the caliper. We just did rotors and pads on it. And you can see there's a little bleeder screw right here. It's probably going to have this little plastic cap on you just pull off. And then what you're going to do is, if you're doing this by yourself and you don't have anybody to pump, you can grab one of these little bottles right here and make sure it's already submerged in brake fluid. So that way you can break it loose, and when you release, it'll just suck up normal brake fluid and you won't get any more air in, so you can solo bleed. So what we're going to do now is crack the bleeder. You don't want to take it out, you just want to crack it loose. Wait a second. That's tight. Yeah. So I just give it a couple turns, and you can see it's dripping a little bit. So we're going to put this on, and then I'm going to start pumping the pedal. You'll be able to see air bubbles escaping. That we've done here, just gonna real quickly snug it back up. And there was not any air in this system, but we're just moving some of the dirty fluid down, bringing newer fluid back into it, and that's how you properly bleed brakes by yourself.